Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Today we got something different. We are at the airport in Gaylord for the Wings Over Michigan Air Show, Wings Over Northern Michigan. And we're here a little bit early, we got some good seats. And you can go inside some of the airplanes and there's some pre-show activities going on. There's a cool airplane here firing up. There's helicopter rides, and there's going to be some cool stuff. There's Aftershock. That's a 24,000 horsepower jet-powered fire engine, 375 miles an hour. They're going to be running that a couple times.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the Yankee Air Museum's C-47.
So there's the truck, Aftershock. Twin jet engines, over 400 miles an hour, it says. The announcer said. So we're going to see that running and burning in a while here, running down the runway.
No! I'm taller than this woman. How could I be tall? That is true. You don't want to know how old I am.
So there's some details of its records. So here's some of the planes we're going to see today. There's some stunt flyers here. I think those are the ones. There's a biplane somewhere. I'm not sure where he is. And there's some fighters. They'll be flying around. There's some bombers. One of them's up in the air. They've been giving people tours, only $500 to get up in a fighter or a bomber. I guess that's not happening for us today. One of them's coming in on approach way out there. Boy, he's slow. He's way out there. I can't even see with my sunglasses on. Where is he? There he is. That's one of them. He'll be cruising up in here in a minute. There's a couple more of the planes we'll be seeing today. Get a close-up of them now. They'll be flying over us later. The other guy's coming in. Oh, here he comes. Probably get to see him cruise around here.
You will. Thank you, guys.
He's coming right up in here. took off earlier. He's coming in. Done flying. You get to ride on that for $10. Bringing over another one of the stunt planes.